P
L
A
Y.
Play, the work of children. What is play? Play happens when a child is interacting with the environment. It happens when a child is taking part in an activity for enjoyment and fun rather than for a serious purpose. For a child, play is not always in their reality. Instead, they use their imagination and mind to create their own reality. Play is critical in the development of your child and is often considered to be the work of children. But why exactly is play important for your child?
Play is a valuable, motivational, and fun way for your child to learn and develop. Play teaches children to socialize and interact well with others, to experiment and solve problems, to express their emotions, to use their minds and imagination, and to use their bodies and grow and develop. When parents think about play, what first comes to mind is often shiny toy cars, beautiful dolls, and a variety of expensive toys. When we think about South Africa today, parents often do not have access to these items and may feel that their children do not have access to the same opportunities for play as those around them.
Not only is nature a cost-effective and free way for children to play, it is also shown to be one of the best ways for children to grow and develop. Being outdoors and in nature has many benefits for your child, and research shows that it is associated with better physical, mental, and emotional health. Nature has many opportunities for children to learn and develop in all areas of their life. Although the benefits of being in nature are well researched, children are spending less time outdoors than ever. So how exactly does nature address all of these areas?
We can start by looking at gross motor skills. Gross motor skills are the larger movements of the body, such as crawling, running, jumping, and climbing. Nature has endless opportunities for your child to practice these skills and experiment with what their body is capable of. These skills are very important for your child to learn, as they help us move in the environment and will be important for all activities later in life. From climbing up a tree stump to balancing across a log, nature play helps develop all the muscles of the body and maintains your child's current and future health.
Fine motor skills are the opposite to gross motor skills and include smaller movements. These can be seen when your child picks things up between their fingers and thumb, holds small items, and wriggles his or her toes in the sand. Fine motor skills are important as they're used in tasks such as writing, doing up buttons, cutting, and tying laces. Nature provides opportunity for children to hold small objects, pick flowers and leaves, and really practice their fine motor skills. From carefully sorting through the dirt for tiny pebbles to picking the tiniest flower, nature helps our children to strengthen their little hand muscles and to grow to be perfectly precise adults.
Social development is vital in your child's life, and social skills will be important throughout his or her lifespan, as we are required to interact with others in all stages of our life. Play in nature is unstructured and provides opportunity for children to share, cooperate, and solve conflicts between each other. All skills that are vital in life. Nature play is a great opportunity for group play, as children can explore and work together.
Learning does not only occur in the classroom. In fact, it is shown that children often learn much faster when engaging in educational play. One might not know it, but nature provides an amazing, all-inclusive classroom with the added benefit of fun. With a little guidance, nature can provide the opportunity for children to learn things like colors, numbers, and even practice their handwriting. Writing in things like sand, mud, and with sticks is a great way for children to learn and practice their writing, and is shown to help their handwriting in the classroom.
To remind parents that play is the most important part of a young child's development, and it is important to note that parents do not need to buy fancy toys to give their children the best opportunity. Nature has done it all for us and can help us provide opportunity for our children to be the best they can be through interaction with the real environment. Children can simply be playing outside without realizing the endless positive effects nature is having on their development.
To them, it is just as it should be, full of